Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading provider of 3D scanning services in Jaipur. With a team of highly skilled professionals and state-of-the-art technology, they offer top-notch scanning solutions to clients from various industries. 3D scanning is a process that captures the shape and appearance of real-world objects and converts them into digital models. This technology has revolutionized the design and manufacturing processes, as it allows for accurate measurements and detailed analysis of physical objects. Scon Design India Private Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry, delivering high-quality scanning services to clients in Jaipur and beyond. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Private Ltd for 3D scanning services in Jaipur is their expertise in handling complex projects. Their team comprises highly skilled engineers and technicians who have extensive experience in using advanced scanning equipment and software. Whether it's a small component or a large-scale object, Scon Design India Private Ltd can handle any scanning project with precision and efficiency. They understand the importance of delivering accurate results within tight deadlines, ensuring that their clients can proceed with their design and manufacturing processes without any delays. Another reason why Scon Design India Private Ltd stands out in the market is their commitment to quality. They follow strict quality control measures throughout the scanning process to ensure that the final digital models are accurate and reliable. Their team conducts thorough checks and validations to eliminate any errors or inaccuracies in the scanned data. This attention to detail sets them apart from their competitors and gives their clients peace of mind knowing that they are receiving reliable and precise 3D scanning services. If you are looking for a private land surveyor in Jaipur, look no further than Scon Design India Private Limited. As a leading surveying company in the region, Scon Design India Private Ltd has a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who specialize in private land surveying. Whether you need a survey for residential, commercial, or industrial purposes, our team is equipped to handle all types of projects. As a private land surveyor, our primary goal is to provide accurate and reliable surveying services to our clients. We understand the importance of precise measurements and detailed mapping when it comes to land development and construction projects. Our team utilizes state-of-the-art surveying equipment and technology to ensure the highest level of accuracy in our surveys. At Scon Design India Private Ltd, we offer a wide range of land surveying services to cater to the specific needs of our clients. Our services include boundary surveys, topographic surveys, construction staking, subdivision surveys, and much more. We have experience working with individuals, developers, architects, and engineers, and we are committed to delivering exceptional results on every project. When you choose Scon Design India Private Ltd as your private land surveyor in Jaipur, you can expect professionalism, efficiency, and attention to detail. Our team is dedicated to providing excellent customer service,